CBI, I'm Steph from Team Schrodinger, and I'm here to tell you about how we came to our deliverable for the problem Convergence. So at Team Schrodinger, we always have a meeting on a Tuesday morning for Australia and a Monday evening for Barcelona, and we have a Skype meeting on a Thursday night for Australia and a Thursday afternoon for Barcelona. So on our Tuesday meeting this week, we decided that it would be best to divide and conquer on this challenge. So we divided into a set of pairs. We had Heron and Scott together, Steph and Matt, Miriam and Chavi, and Matthew by himself. And we decided that all of us, each pair would come up with 2 to 3 draft briefs, which we would go through together on the Thursday and choose the 3 problems that we would continue on with for our deliverable. So on the Thursday, by that date, we had quite a few different briefs. So Heron and Scott came up with one for Asperger's and sports. Me and Matt came up with 3, social anxiety, culture shock, and prevention of social anxiety in children. And Miriam and Chavi came up with an autism one and a retail one, and Matthew came up with one for driving. So from these problems, we narrowed them down to 3, and we decided that we liked the driving one by Matthew, we liked the Asperger's one by Heron and Scott, and we liked the sports one. So we decided that we'd split into pairs again to tackle these. So Matthew and Chavi decided that they would do the driving problem brief. Heron and Miriam decided to do the Asperger's one. And Scott and Matt decided to do the sports one. And I decided that I would collaborate all of our problems and put them in the layout and make them all look as one. And that's how we all worked as a team to get it done. As you can see, they all look very similar, but they've all got different content, and they're all very different problems, which really shows you how massive the scope of our project is. If you guys have forgotten what our project is, we're doing sensing interactions. So how we can use wearable devices to improve social interactions, and what our effects are on others while we are involved in a social interaction. So we found out some very interesting information, and it's really helped us converge on our problems. I hope to see what the rest of you guys come up with, and we've been Team Schrodinger. So see you and have a good week.